Understanding Donation Page, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore what a donation page is and why it's important. Whether you're looking to support a cause or start a fundraiser, understanding this term is key. So, let's dive in and learn all about it. A donation page is a specific web page designed for collecting monetary contributions from people who want to support a cause, charity, or individual. These pages provide essential information about the cause and how the funds will be used, ensuring transparency and trust. Every donation page includes several key elements. The headline. This captures the essence of the cause and encourages people to contribute. The story. This section details what the donations aim to achieve and who will benefit. The donation options. This allows donors to choose how much they want to give. The payment gateway. A secure method for donors to submit their contributions online. Using a donation page is simple. 1. You find the page associated with the cause you want to support. 2. You read through the information provided. 3. You choose an amount to donate. 4. You enter your payment details in the secure form. 5. You submit your donation. If you're looking to start a fundraiser, creating a donation page involves selecting a platform to host your page, writing a compelling story about your cause, deciding on how to accept donations, sharing your page with potential donors through various channels. We hope this video has shed light on what a donation page is and how it can be used effectively. Whether you're making a difference by donating or setting up a page for a good cause, your efforts are valuable. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next English learning adventure.